In this video, I'll show you how to set up order confirmation emails in ShopWired quickly so you can keep your customers in the loop about their orders without any hassle. By the end, you'll not only know how to set this up, but I'll also reveal a special offer for a free trial of ShopWired that you won't find anywhere else. First things first, let's dive into how to find the order confirmation email settings in ShopWired. From your ShopWired dashboard, head to the Settings tab. Once you're in the settings, look for the Email Settings section. This is where all your email templates live, including the crucial order confirmation email. Next thing, you'll need to choose the order confirmation email template. ShopWired gives you a default template, but you can easily edit this to match your branding. You can personalize the subject line, email body, and even add any custom fields you want, like order details or customer names. The goal here is to make sure the email feels personal and informative. The third thing you'll want to do is customize the email content. You can use the ShopWired editor to drag and drop various elements like your logo, order summary, and even links to track the order. It's important to make sure this content looks professional because this is the first communication your customers will receive after purchasing. Fourth thing, setting up any automatic triggers for the email is crucial. In ShopWired, this is done through the Order Confirmation section, where you can set this email to be automatically sent whenever an order is placed. This takes the workload off your shoulders and ensures your customers always get the confirmation they need right after completing their purchase. The fifth thing you should check is whether the confirmation email is mobile-friendly. More customers are shopping on their phones these days, so ensure your email design adapts well to smaller screens. ShopWired allows you to preview how your email will look on both desktop and mobile. Next, testing. Before you go live, make sure to send a test email to yourself. This will allow you to check that everything looks right, whether it's the customer's order details, your company branding, or that all the links work properly. There's nothing worse than launching a feature only to find out it's broken. Now, while ShopWired offers a lot of flexibility, some users find it a bit limited when it comes to advanced customizations. It's great for beginners, but if you're looking for even more control over your emails, you might want to consider an alternative. And that brings me to something exciting. If you're serious about creating a smoother, more personalized customer experience, check out the offer I've linked in the description. We've got an exclusive free trial that's only available to our viewers, giving you access to all the advanced features. Plus, we've found some alternatives that might be better for businesses looking for a bit more flexibility in their email setups, and they also come with free trials. So, whether you stick with ShopWired or decide to explore something else, make sure to grab the best trial deal through our link. It's exclusive to our viewers, and you won't want to miss out on those benefits.